Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava without phyllo dough. First, gather your ingredients for the homemade dough. You'll need all-purpose flour, water, a touch of oil, and a pinch of salt. This simple combination will form the base for your delicious, non-traditional baklava. We'll guide you through mixing and rolling to achieve that perfect, thin texture. To craft your dough, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/2 cup of warm water. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a small pinch of salt. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead it on a lightly floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Cover the dough and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This makes it much easier to roll thinly. Now for the assembly. Divide your rested dough into small portions and roll each piece as thinly as possible, aiming for almost translucent sheets. Brush each rolled layer generously with melted butter. Alternate these dough layers with your chosen nut filling, typically walnuts or pistachios, finely chopped. Continue layering until all your dough and nuts are used, pressing gently to compact the layers. Bake your baklava in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. While it bakes, prepare a simple syrup by simmering 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water and a squeeze of lemon. Once the baklava is out of the oven, immediately pour the hot syrup over the warm dessert. Let it cool completely to allow the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.